723 cheers.
Music. Oh God, I still feel like you enjoy your tears. How do I? This time. I would like. I think I've saved it. I kind of. I love stationery. Every pen. I love. Says. Oh sh. The.
Well, they weren't friends.
What the fuck? What the? One's late. Fast Belch. I would. But let me woo. Then upwards. Cooking over this way. Mom. I'm kind of a dick. Changing, so sort of think. Should we all be growing? We get into it. I used to take. If I. They're bangers. Sorry about that. Couldn't have done that. In hindsight, yeah. I do. I have pink linen tabled. Likes. And. Who knows? Why does it say bright? Time. I just know. Sorry. 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 Are we high? Jeez Louise. Hi space. Tuesday. Things in the battle pass. Good. That's for you. I need leave. Have a drink. Was game and the team title was sorry. Play a lot. Plays. What you mean? Don't tell me we got. There you go. Sorry. You're going to crash. Yeah. I didn't realize it's cheaper. Sorry. With Pat. Oh. Never going to mention this to go. And it's fine. That would have been so. Oh no. It's never been verified. And it's fine. I thought you were an idea. I don't even have armor. Sorry.
That was reckless.
Oh, sorry. I just did. Here's. Oh. There we go. What? Like, that's dangerous. What I'm thinking is that needed to leave there. Okay, I need to get that out. Everyone was like, I don't give a shit about keep calm dreams about where's explode. Oh god, I'm burping so much from all this. Game? Me. Not that. I'm not doing is where Grimmer out. We could get top 10 again, but Mother. What? Let there be pain. What's wrong with it? Eva was hello. A little bit. What? No. But sorry. That's. I would just go to YouTube. Oh God. Oh. As long as I have a nice bed. What? Huh? Don't you even dare, Dan. Get it. It was such a. I have no. So. Up close and. It's fun. Yeah. I was gonna wear it here today, but it didn't. Sorry. That's not your username. Rufus. We were having a normal conversation. I am insane, and I am. The game. I already have. Oh, listen. Pen. What? Wait. Where's both of my? Cause he lives. I don't know. Sorry. Woo! Daff, you might. I always find when I did. On. You can give Krill a gun? I'm so bright. Be a sandwich. I don't. Voted? Well, you should. Sorry. This story is over. Probably a little bit. Should Thursdays I cook. Out. That's all I know. Didn't. So as soon as I don't want to drop. What night? It was literally the best. Red Dead today. Should I try and here? Counting. A lot of counting. I did read it wrong. Okay. Like, why would I need 0728? I got a party more loo roll. Why are you guys talking about abs? It's okay. Oops. Goddamn, do it. Good. Sorry. Huh? I don't want to be. Well, you're gonna have to wait me. Oh God, the coke's shot. Anyway, what was the sneak peek? I can't lag. It's technical. You're more real. Go sport. Another day.
The guide is in the best shape.
I don't know what it says to me. Sorry.
For humanity, despite
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna know them smaller. I got quagmired. So like hating. Sorry. YouTube video. Everyone that wanted to come. So sorry. We gotta go there. But also a lot of calories. Sorry. That's it? Is it mini? Huh? Thank you. I might. Hi, MX. I'm in the final. Something clickbaity. Perceived as a bit sus. I'm good, Eden. How are you? To see ya more. But sorry. Oh, day already. They just shouldn't be in my house. I'm babbing a lot. Which is quite cool. Stream. It's fucking hot. You didn't even win. Just don't fart. Meaning what? Huh? Right. She's a gorgeous. You? Wow, okay. I'm not gonna start off like a little seagull. Oh, my favourite pose. Was that yours, the yellow one? Where's my... I would love to match. I'm burping anyway. Dude. Sorry. Oh, is that them? You probably, that's quite illegal. On the pump. Combat's not better. They've never. Don't. I know. Bus broke down on the. It was Thursday between the Twin Towers. Sorry. Luffy, you have... Sorry. As it's the only way. It's true. I keep getting likes on it. Office time. I'm not going to the office. I was busy. That's you. I was a little needy bitch on my Instagram. And I'm the ease are not together, so I don't. We're gonna chat t-shirt. No, do you see? How do you enhance it? I think cooking tomorrow. I can't say no as well. Festivals count as a concept. How do you know he's oiled and not just sweaty? House.